our makeshift laboratory, aka Chris's backyard.
John forgot the lab coat.
Yeah, I was meant to wear a lab coat and then actual safety glasses, but it's alright, it's cool. We're gonna do a couple of experiments here, right? If you guys don't know, I'm really into science. I study science. I study biotechnology in school. I'm still studying laboratory sciences and stuff like that, so I'm really into science. So
Nerd!
Thank you, Reggie. I wanted to show you guys a couple of experiments. They're super simple, really easy. You can find them on YouTube. That's where we found them. The video will be linked down below for the original video. So the first one we're gonna start with is elephant toothpaste.
Okay.
Yeah. How do you guys feel about just the title?
Well, I didn't know that elephant uses toothpaste.
I wonder why is it called elephant toothpaste?
I guess the ones. Well, I mean, you'll see. It's a large, foamy. You'll see. You'll see what happens. Okay.
All right.
So what we're gonna start with, it's super simple, basic ingredients. We have hydrogen peroxide. We got some dish soap. We got
This is
potassium.
not sponsored, by the way.
No, not at all. Not by.
We would love to be sponsored. Don, if you want to hit us up, let us know.
Call us up.
And potassium permanganate. This you probably don't have at home, but you can order it online like we did. And we got water. Okay. So first we're gonna start with water. Okay. Reggie, go ahead and grab that water. We're gonna pour it into that cup there.
This one?
Yep. That's step one. That little spillage is cool though. Okay. The next step, we got potassium permanganate. I'm gonna have Chris get a spoonful, a tablespoon of potassium permanganate. Fill that up. Doesn't have to be exact. Just about a tablespoonful. Yeah, you can throw a little more in there.
A little more?
Yeah, a little more.
All right.
You know, almost.
I kind of feel like I'm in some kind of trap house.
There you go. We mixing.
Stir.
There we go.
Stir.
You can stir it up a little bit.
Oh,
Oh.
yo, that color is crazy.
We got a nice. Let me show the people. We got a nice purple color here.
I'll show it over here.
Oh. Nice purple right there. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of dish soap. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna get our glass here. We're gonna pour this in here. Hope it doesn't stain Chris's face.
Oh my goodness.
If not,
Yo, what are you doing?
we owe them a vase then.
Oh, no,
This doesn't.
bro.
Okay.
That's my good vase, bro.
All right, and now we got a little bit of hydrogen peroxide, about half a cup in here. So who wants to do the honors of pouring the hydrogen peroxide?
All right, bro. You thought of this, so I'm going to
I'm gonna
say
do
it's
this?
you.
Yeah.
Okay, so
This
here's the
is
thing.
all you.
Here's the thing. While you can do this at home, be very careful because the reaction we're about to see is called an exothermic reaction, meaning that it's hot. All right, so guys, I don't know what direction this is gonna come out in. So just be
Yo, Chris, just use John as a shield, like.
all right. Here we go.
John.
Oh, what the hell?
Okay. Got some foam. It looks pretty disgusting. And not the shooting effect that I was expecting.
Do we need to put some more?
Nah, it should smell pretty good.
Can't smell it.
So basically what happened here, it was the hydrogen peroxide, it decomposes into water and oxygen, but we added the potassium permanganate and water as a catalyst, which accelerates that reaction. Oxygen gets released, it gets caught by the dish soap, and we get the foam effect. Now, it's supposed to be hot. Do you guys want to touch it?
No.
All right, I'll do it.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
No. Wait.
Oh, it's not hot.
Is it warm?
It's like room temp. Okay, that feels a little toasty after a little bit. It starts to like singe your finger a tiny bit. Nah, that looks like it stains. What's up with our fingers?
Yeah.
It's turning brown. And we put it on
No,
Chris now.
No, it's not my birthday. Get over it. No, man.
All right,
Who we gonna clean this up?
That was the first
All right,
experiment.
that was the first experiment.
It was
let's see if we can clean this up.
semi-successful, I guess.
Yeah, it's supposed to have an explosion, but
I
at
didn't
least,
really do that.
but you did see
I don't know if we should
something
be
come
touching
up.
this because it just turned my finger brown.
All right,
Imagine it's permanent. Take that out, bro.
All right,
Nah.
okay, we'll be back with the second experiment when Chris has cleaned this mess up.
that's a wrap.
Damn, I wanted it to shoot up.
That's what I was hoping for, bro. Oh, bro, just pour it in there.
You don't have the camera.
It is rolling. Slow mo, is it? Oh. Oh, okay.
Oh,
Bro. Oh, snap. Hold up.
oh, that looks fire. All right, this is what was supposed to happen. So now we're finished with the first experiment, moving on to the second. This one is called a lava lamp. There you go, lava lamp. So it's, again, very simple. We got some water in here. We're gonna be using baby oil and some food coloring. Really, that's it. So let's get started, guys, with the lava lamp. All right, so
Step one.
first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add some baby oil.
All right, so John, how much water is in here?
It's about a cup and a half.
All right. So a cup and a half of baby oil. Oh, a cup and a half of water, not baby oil.
Yeah, here we're just gonna add a good amount. Now you'll see that obviously the oil is going to separate from the water. It's gonna separate because the density is different. So the oil is gonna sit on the top of the water. And these don't mix.
Are you gonna use all of it, John? We still need some.
No, not here. So it's not gonna mix because of the structure of oil and water are different. Water is gonna mix with water, oil is gonna mix with oil, but water won't mix with oil. Check how much is left in the bottle. We're pretty much gonna use up the bottle, so we'll split it up evenly. We got a little more. Okay, that's good. Reggie, and then we'll just keep going until we finish it. So here we have food coloring. You can use any kind of color that you want. I got a lemon color and tangerine, so yellow and orange. We're gonna pour that. What do you got?
I got green apple. It's kind of not really green apple. It's kind of like turquoise and a green.
Okay.
I got the grape and the lime.
Just put a couple drops. That looks pretty cool. Look at this. Alright, so you guys can use any colors you want. We just chose some random colors for us,
Nah, green's my favorite color.
or that. And then the final step, we're gonna be adding and what is this called?
Alka-Seltzer.
No, but what's the general?
Antacid?
Antacid, yeah, antacid. You can also try aspirin
Yeah.
and see if that works, but we're gonna try with an antacid to see the effect. And this is really it. Okay. Here we go.
set, go.
Oh. You guys see that?
Oh, that's fire.
See if we get All right, so that was the lava lamp. You guys can try. You guys can play around with the measurements. I'd recommend using more baby oil. If you use more baby oil,
That's what really causes that cool effect.
yeah, the lava part of it, or the lamp part of it, I should say, will be even bigger. So not so much water and more oil, and it should come out pretty cool. And don't use aspirin. Aspirin doesn't work. You
Trash.
need Alka-Seltzer. Aspirin doesn't do anything.
Salute.
This is the last experiment we're doing. This one here is
Number 3.
This one here is called moon sand. Sometimes it's called kinetic sand as well. What we have here is some sand, just some basic sand you can buy online. And so we have a cup of sand each. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna mix in some cornstarch. You can find this in the supermarket. We're gonna use about 2/3 of a cup in each bowl.
Yo, Reg, what you have a knife for?
Yeah, Reg always got a Reg always got a knife on him.
Oh, I forgot he lives in Queens.
EDC.
He needs it.
Oh, chill.
Alright, we're gonna pour some. Now the bowls aren't very big, so
Bro, is that 2/3 a cup? Did you measure that?
this is 2 cups.
That was
We didn't
like-
measure.
that was-
We eyeball it out here. So go ahead, pour some.
That was like baking soda.
I don't know how I feel about that. All right.
Well, I don't have any yet.
Chris, you gotta wait your turn, Chris.
What the?
Bro, this is a hot mess.
Sorry, we're gonna get it on the table anyway.
All right, be willing to make a mess.
When it gets in your fingernails, that's perfectly normal. supposed to happen.
This is a very exfoliating process.
Supposed to happen.
Yep.
You done this before?
Yeah, many times.
Sure.
Done this plenty of times.
I'm probably good. Nasty, bro.
I'm probably it's in your fingernails.
I hate this texture.
I mean, the texture is fine. I don't like it in my fingernails.
Wait,
Nah, the feeling of the cornstarch, it's like, oh no, it's making me cringe a little bit.
oh, I see what you're saying.
It's like a
Yeah,
chalkboard.
chalky, yeah.
What you guys talking about?
I hate
You never
that
felt
sound.
the chalkboard?
No, I know what a chalkboard
Nah,
is,
bro, it's
but-
bothering me.
I don't.
It's bothering
I just don't like that it's in my fingernails, but other than that, it's fine.
I'm thinking about it. See,
Tell me it's not bothering you, Chris.
I don't know what you guys are talking about. Let's man up a little bit here and let's get in there.
Alright, let's do this.
This is meant for little kids to play with, so I think
Alright.
we can handle this.
We're men.
Well, as
can handle this.
Reggie pats it,
Oh, my fault.
give the rest to Chris.
That's for you.
Oh, great.
Okay.
You know what, guys?
Use my
guys-
utensils like a civilized human
You know
being.
what, guys?
This is City.
Oh,
All right.
Chris,
Thanks.
bro.
Thank you, Chris.
That's a LeBron James.
That's not LeBron James,
That's
bro.
LeBron James.
When he
baby.
does it, it looks a lot cooler.
This is City.
Oh,
All right.
Chris,
Thanks.
bro.
Thank you, Chris.
Oh,
Because he got it
I
all
just-
over
I just
black
felt
and gray clothes.
I just felt it. I just felt it.
Okay, mine is pretty well mixed in there. Aside from all the extra cornstarch I have, because you guys know. Oh, yeah,
Alright.
do this. Oh.
That's what I'm talking about, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some water.
Is that enough water?
It only calls for a cup, so we need only a third of this.
How I feel about this.
It's done.
Oh, when do we add the color in?
After. Although it's gonna be colored because we have blue soap. So it's already gonna have a color. Oh, that's some warm water. Oh, you guys are not gonna like this. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead get this out of the bowl.
All right.
Oh, that gets very, very hot.
Chris? Oh! Oh, it's just nasty. Oh! Alright, here we go, here we go. Oh, what's this feeling?
Oh.
Oh, it's making a mess.
It's supposed to.
Okay. It's a little moist. Oh, look, I feel like I'm making bread out here.
Oh, it gets hard really quick.
Chris's looks legit. I always look like Oh, thanks for using the rest of the water, bro. Oh, thanks.
I was gonna need it.
Forget y'all. I'm out.
Wait, Reg, this could be an example of what not to do.
I'm using my resources.
Yeah, well, that's
This is cold water now, though.
I gotta add
Yeah, I
soap
don't think it
too.
doesn't matter, right? Yeah, I need more, bro. It's breaking apart.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just use the rest of this water.
This is called learning on the fly. It's a valuable skill to have. You put a lot of soap in there? The soap is the key, because that's what makes it oily.
What was that sound, bro? What?
Oopsies.
Alright, I need some more liquids. Swing that, Chris. Yo, you went greedy, bro.
Oh, it's melting.
Oh gosh.
Why is this melting? What the-
I think we might, alright, I think that might have done it too much. Okay. I'm gonna try to salvage, get it out of there.
Great. I think I put too much.
Yeah. I have a.
Now we're good to go,
I need
bro.
some of your stuff, bro. Yeah, I put too much.
Just work it, keep working, keep working. Keep working. It'll dry up and soak up eventually.
Oh, yes, it's working.
There we go.
It's
wow. The
working.
minute you stop,
It starts falling apart.
yeah.
Oh snap, yo, this is so cool.
Chris got a puddle. You got a puddle too. I think I got the best one.
No, you don't, bro. It's
Look at
because you keep molding it. Let it go.
I don't want to. That's gonna turn into yours.
That's the point. Oh,
Mine's is not
wait. John's is the only one that's working.
Yeah.
Oh snap. Yo, this is crazy. Look, yo, push that.
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty
Yo,
cool.
Chris, poke this.
Wait, I can't.
Chris is losing his. Chris got greedy with the liquid soap.
At least mine is in the container.
He went from gritty sand to
It looks like we're keeping John's. Yo, bro, the food coloring is getting devoured by the quicksand that you have over there.
Yo, literally, if you stop, it just turns into liquid.
Alright.
Yo, bro, I think mine's is soapy, bro. I think
Alright, bro, yo, just pour yours into here.
I can't heat it up. It's liquid.
Yo, hold on. Yo, scoop it this way, bro.
Yo, it's gonna get on the floor.
Yo, this is a major fail, bro.
Oh my goodness. Yo, oh, bro, it's getting on the floor.
Get on the floor. Oh. Clearly, you guys can tell we don't try this before we get on camera and do it. We just
This is a
for it.
live experiment.
We get just enough of the ingredients.
Oh my goodness, bro.
We've made some sand soup. My back hurts. I don't know how.
Yo, Chris's doesn't do the thing that mine does. So we got 3 different outcomes. Oh, this is interesting though. Think about it, right? Like, just one slight thing off,
There you go.
and you get a completely
Save it, Reggie.
different result.
This is a life lesson for you guys.
Oh, see this?
That's pretty cool.
Oh, my fault.
Do it hard. Do it hard.
Impact.
Oh, that's cool.
That's cool, right?
So how does your feel, John?
You gotta keep working or it's gonna melt.
Oh, John has like this is probably the
That's the closest.
This is
thing
100%
to
the closest.
Yeah.
This is what it's supposed to feel like.
Yeah.
So we got some sopa over there. We got
some oatmeal soup right here.
This one's cool. If you ever
This one's
tried what's that called? Borax? That borax stuff?
This
with
is what
water.
it's supposed to look like.
And then this is so if you stop. Alright, let's add some color. Let's put some life in
put
this.
some color. You could probably honestly make something out of here.
Oh, why'd I use my finger? Bro.
What the?
Alright,
I don't know what the plan was right there.
I think we were supposed to add this color soon.
You gotta do
bro.
it slowly. No, they did it. They made the sand first and then added it. It's just our sand didn't come out very good.
Alright, mine actually turned kind of.
So as I move it, it's supposed to harden, right? I gotta move it.
Yeah, but but not soft movements. You gotta like impact it like that. You gotta do it like.
Nah, bro. There's no
Yeah,
There's no helping Chris is out. Oh man.
I think Chris is 90% liquid soap. Although mine is starting to get more like. Oops. That's pretty cool.
Oh, dude,
Pick it up.
what you mean pick it up?
Yeah, get it.
It's not like yours, bro. It actually responds.
This is expands.
Yeah, wait, watch it.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, this is coming out of control, guys.
Oh, bro, you weren't supposed to mix it. This guy, man.
Alright, Reg, you gotta have to make some more.
Reg.
No, I think it looks better. No, it's better. Keep going, keep going. What you mean? Keep going.
Oh yeah.
It's way better now.
All right, Chris, I'm gonna give you some more. Here you go.
Yeah. Mix all that.
Nah, don't put more because I can't.
You can do it, Chris. Mix it on there. Keep working.
No, look how big it gets.
Yeah, keep working.
Nah,
Keep working. You gotta mix in the liquid stuff with the heart. There you go, Chris. Pick it up, Chris. There you go. Hey, oh, nah, he's got it now.
Wait.
Oh, my fault.
Wait. But how you stop it from expanding though?
It doesn't stop
It doesn't
expanding.
stop. You gotta keep working. Yours is gonna be a little more liquidy than mine.
Right, that's it no more. I can't.
You got this, bro. I believe in you.
Man.
Let me wash my hands.
Nah, you gonna leave me here like this?
Chris is in a never-ending loop right now. He's stuck in a cycle.
But how you stop it from expanding though?
So guys, this is what happens when you allow sin, right? When the clay gets out of control, and then this is when God gotta come in. He gotta work with you. This is the rough times right here. You just gotta keep working, Chris. Keep working, Chris. All right, guys. So we're back in studio. What did you think of the experiments?
Total failure, bro. Complete failure.
It wasn't great. It wasn't what I expected.
It was fun though.
It was fun.
It was fun. Watching Chris try and keep that stuff together was hilarious.
Yeah. I think that might have been the highlight for me.
Yeah, my measurements was way off on that one.
Toothpaste was a little different. It's definitely not how the video.
Yeah, I mean, I think it was a learning experience. It was cool. I know for me, specifically with that experiment, we used hydrogen peroxide. And if you guys didn't know, hydrogen peroxide, the chemical formula for it is H2O2, right? So that is one extra molecule of oxygen than H2O, which is water. So we're off by one molecule of oxygen, right? And that's the difference between something, if you drink, would be poisonous to us versus something necessary for life. So that's how close it was. It's just one oxygen molecule, and it makes such a big difference. Two completely different substances, right? And I think that just speaks to God's perfect design, right? And his fine tuning specifically, right? Is to set up molecules, atoms in a specific way to provide us life and to provide us other necessary things that are part of life. So I think that speaks so heavily to that.
That's fire.
Yeah.
One of the things that that comes to my mind was the sand actually. And it actually lines up perfectly with that fine tuning that you just mentioned. The earth that we live on, there's just all the components just seem to be in the right place.
Yeah. Perfect.
Like perfectly, right? Our distance from the sun, right? Not too close, not too far away. Our gravity, right? Our gravity's just right that we don't get crushed or that we're not just floating all over the place. Just speaking on the sand real quick, we all got 3 different outcomes, if you notice, right?
Yeah.
Like John got the more solidified one. Mine was kind of in the between, and then we had Chris with the mud pile that just never ended.
Yep.
But it's so interesting how, just like John just said, like the difference, that slight difference, a little bit more and you get mush, a little bit less and you get a rock, and somehow things just fall into the right place, right? Like in the video, it actually looked completely different, right? So those fine-tuned adjustments really point to the difference that having all the things, all the right components, that makes a big difference.
It seems like everything in the universe is in perfect balance, right? And even to sustain life on this planet, there are so many factors necessary for life, right? That if you take any one of those out, just out of place, move it slightly closer to the sun, it will burn up. Move it slightly away, and will freeze, right? And there's so many different factors. I think in that video that we saw, it started off as just a certain amount, very few, and then as science evolved and it continued to understand what the requirements for life were, that number started to grow and grow. And that's why it's at a point where the possibility of this just randomly happening is so far-fetched,
Right.
that it's nearly impossible for it to have happened. And it all points to a perfect designer.
Absolutely. That's what I was trying to say.
I got you, man.
Thank you.
That's a great way to segue. So let us know your thoughts on what you thought of the experiments. Hopefully you enjoyed some of our mistakes. If you're interested in trying it at home, feel free to learn from our mistakes.
Be careful.
But yes, be careful, be safe. But also just realize, just get some of those takeaways that we just talked about. But
the bonus?
Let's oh yes.
The bonus.
We got something interesting and a little bit different than what we've shot so far.
Yeah.
And we hope you enjoy it. We had a really fun time shooting it.
We took out some aggression on the experiments in the bonus video.
Yes.
Definitely stay tuned for that. Check that out.
Yeah, we had to let off some steam on